Take a look. Looks like it came from Google or OpenAI, right? Wrong. This stunning cinematic video wasn't created by any mainstream AI tool. It came from a stealth powerhouse called Seedance, built by none other than Bytedance, the team behind TikTok. While the internet drooled over Google VEO 3 and OpenAI's flashy demos, Seedance quietly leapfrogged ahead, delivering near photoreal visuals, buttery smooth motion, and storytelling flow that feels Hollywood-grade. Here's why you should care. This tool isn't freely available to most users. But after days of deep digging and testing, I found a working backdoor. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to unlock unlimited zero-cost access to Seedance 1.0. Just follow my step-by-step method. One wrong move, and it won't work. But if you stay with me, you'll also get my pro tips for generating viral quality cinematic content and an exclusive prompt pack designed specifically for faceless YouTube movie creators using Seedance. Before we dive in, if you love discovering powerful hidden AI tools and creator hacks, smash that like, tap subscribe, and ring the bell. It costs nothing, but it helps me keep bringing you the tools most creators never find. Let's unlock the future of faceless filmmaking together. Before we dive into how to access Seedance 1.0 for free, let's take a quick look at some powerful evidence from recent evaluations and comparisons with top-tier AI video tools like Google VEO 3, Kling 2.0, and Hailuo 2.0. While the internet has been buzzing about Google's V3 and OpenAI's latest innovations, Seedance has been quietly evolving into something even more impressive, delivering cleaner motion, near photorealistic visuals, and buttery smooth animation dynamics. According to a detailed review by artificialanalysis.ai, Seedance is currently ranked as the #1 AI video generator, outperforming all its competitors. Now, let me show you actual AI-generated video results using Seedance 1.0, followed by a direct comparison with videos made using Google VEO 3. Let's see the difference for ourselves. First, click on the Create button, then choose AI Video. From there, select the latest model. In my case, I'm using Video 3.0. Next, pick your video length, either 5 or 10 seconds. I'll go with 10 seconds. Then choose your aspect ratio, 16:9 for standard widescreen or 9:16 if you're creating content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. Now, I'll enter a simple prompt, a dragon relaxing on a tropical beach, and within seconds, you'll have a stunning 4K video clip that's completely yours to use. No credits needed. Just look at how crisp and cinematic it is. Let's try another one. This time, a futuristic reimagining of Spider-Man swinging through neon-lit Tokyo at night. Let's see what Seedance creates next. Now let's challenge Seedance with a one-sentence mini-film. Cinematic shot of a foggy mountain sunrise. Cut to a lone figure in a neon-lit Tokyo alley. With just one click, Seedance seamlessly stitches these 3 scenes together, complete with authentic cinematic pacing. It's like having a tireless co-director working behind the scenes. Now, while Seedance doesn't generate voice or soundtracks directly within the video by default, it does let you add audio after your video is created, and it's incredibly easy. Click on any finished clip, and you'll see new options appear. Select Generate Soundtrack to let the AI compose a cinematic score right inside the app. You can also enable HD upscaling for sharper, high-detail output. And now, let's try out one of Seedance's most exciting features, hyper-realistic talking avatars. On the sidebar, click AI Avatar, or select it directly from the main screen. Upload any image, even a screenshot. I grabbed one from Google's demo for this test. Next, choose Avatar Pro. It's still free to use. Now, either type in your dialogue or upload an audio file. For example, here's the line I used. The ocean is a force. Wild is, untamed, commanding awe with every surge. Watch as the avatar lip-syncs with eerie precision and lifelike expression.
The ocean is a force. Wild, untamed, commanding awe with every surge.
With just one photo, Oz can instantly transform it into a spokesperson or marketing ambassador. Perfect for faceless content. And if you're serious about using this AI tool to grow a faceless channel, here are 4 pro-level insider tips to get viral results with Seedance. 1. Prompt hierarchy. Lead with subject, then mood, then camera move. 2. Time of day multipliers. Golden hour or blue hour phrasing boosts cinematic lighting probabilities. 3. One adjective rule. Stack too many descriptors and Seedance averages them out. Instead, Keep a single power adjective per clause. 4. Reference frames. You can drag previous renders into the prompt box as visual refs. Consistency skyrockets. Now, let's do a quick comparison with another powerful and free AI video tool I've tested before. If you managed to grab access to Google V3's 15-month free trial, congrats! For this demo, I simply pasted the same prompts into Seedance and Google VEO 3. No tweaks, no retries. Once clicked Generate, you decide which model truly deserves the crown. Here's the result of the cinematic panda prompt. Now, let's try another one. A high-intensity car race scene. Which one do you think looks better? As a content creator, I believe any free tool like this has real potential, especially when used creatively. So now, here's exactly how you can access this text-to-video tool completely free, in just 3 simple steps. Follow these steps exactly. The order and small details matter. If you miss even one toggle, the entire method could fail. Let's begin. Step 1. Cloak yourself. Start by launching a VPN. Head to your browser's extensions and search for a free VPN. I'm using UrbanVPN in this demo, but alternatives like VeePN or NordVPN also work well. I've dropped the links in the description below. Once installed, connect to any African country. I'm choosing Morocco for this guide. Think of this VPN connection as your master key. It unlocks the door to the exploit. Step 2. Create an alias. With your VPN still active, go to Dreamina AI, link also below. Double-check that your VPN is still connected before entering your info. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. Now choose how you want to register. Either use a Google account that's never been used with Dreamina, or sign up with a temporary email like I did, then enter the verification code. After that, enter any birth date, close any pop-ups, and you'll land on the main dashboard. If you see 0 credits and the AI video and AI avatar tabs say coming soon when you hover, perfect. That means the exploit is active. But the video generator still appears locked. That's where the final move comes in. Step 3. Switch regions. Stay logged into Dreamina. Now, switch your VPN to the United States, or try a European server like Germany or the UK. Then refresh the page, and boom, everything is unlocked. The price per render shows $0, no credit limits. Unlimited AI video creation. You'll now see the AI video and AI avatar buttons fully active. You can either click the tabs at the top or hit Create and choose from Text to Image, Text to Video, or Talking AI Avatar. Bonus section. Faceless Channel Movie Blueprint Prompt for Seedance 1.0. Here are 2 ready-to-use prompts, evolved from my original Google VEO 3 set, but fine-tuned specifically for Dreamina's syntax and token limits. If you haven't seen my full tutorial on how to create a viral Yeti vlog using Google VEO 3, check the link in the description. Here's how to use my 2 prompts effectively. 1. First, copy the 10 viral-worthy short film concepts prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and insert the main topic or niche for your video. You'll instantly get 10 custom short film ideas. Perfect for building a faceless YouTube channel. 2. Next, choose your favorite concept from that list and paste it into the full script generator prompt. Press Enter, and you'll get a complete 5-scene breakdown for your short film. 3. Finally, copy each scene one by one and paste them into Seedance. The result? A fully generated cinematic short that looks and feels like a Hollywood mini-movie ready for your faceless channel. If this walkthrough saved you time and money, smash that like button if secret AI hacks get you hyped. And subscribe so you never miss the next secret unlock. Drop Seedance faceless channel prompt in the comments, and I'll DM you my master Seedance prompts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.